Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like content like this. Today I'm going to be doing a October full moon look. The October full moon is tonight, which is October 28th. It's the hunter's moon. That's what I call it anyway. It's also is called a blood moon because of the partial eclipse may make the moon appear red. So that's why they call it a full blood moon. This full moon will rise in the sign of Taurus, which will bring extreme shifts that can cause upsets in your sense of security as you try to maintain a balance between your heart and your mind. The moon's all about getting out of your comfort zone. It's a great time for shadow work, dream work, and preservation. So the colors for this full moon are ruby red, dark purple, black, burnt orange, silver, deep navy, blue, and gold. And the colors that I'm going to be using is, I would like to do purple, silver, and gold, but like a rose gold, and black. I'm going to be using Gothic Beach for this look. I'm really enjoying this palette. It's quickly becoming one of my favorite palettes. I already did my foundation, and I used the Gerard Cosmetics lid primer. So that's where we're going to start. So, first color. Like I said, I'm going to do purple, silver, black, and gold. So, first color I'm going to go in, and I'm also going to be using the Flex Beauty Silver. Isn't that beautiful? Silver Sea, I think it's called. Sorry, I didn't mean to blind you there. Alright, I'm going to go into Piranha Pretty. I thought I lost my mirror, just like that. And I'm going to go in my crease. That's like the medium purple. And all the way into the corner. Halloween is getting close. So what have you guys been doing all this week? So right there. That's what I'm doing so far. A lot of people getting prepared for Halloween. Taking the kiddos trick-or-treating. I try not to do the mirror so much. So you guys can see what I'm doing. As we all know, even with primer on, this side gives me issues. Alright. Now I'm going to go in with that lighter, oh buoy, oh boy. I'm going to tap that in at the top so we have something. And just blend that out a little bit. I'm going back into the darker. Alright, that looks pretty good. I don't know why that looks like that, but whatever. It's just a full moon look, right? Alright, so now I'm gonna get a smaller brush. I'm gonna go into the black, the SPF 666. And I'm just gonna deepen this V. I'm not gonna go all the way in. Just like that. Barely on there. Okay. Touching it again. Alright. I'm just going to touch that purple again. There we go. Alright, so now, this Flex Beauty, when I say you only need a drop, you only need a drop. I'm going to put, I mean, look, it's, I'm just going to barely, I can't tell if it's up, yep, put a little bit in the cap. This stuff is crazy. Wait till you see. Alright, I mean, I want a flat brush, but I want a little bit smaller flat brush so I have a little more control of where it goes. So I'm going to use this one. And that's just the way it's ombre. So I'm going into the lid, and there's that. Alright. I'm using the mirror for this, guys, so I really want to see. I mean, look at that. Oh, some spilled. A little bit of fallout. It's okay. I'm not going to say we can clean it up, because we can't. So I'm going to bring it down into the corner like that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I don't even know if I need to re-dip in. I'm dipping just a tiny bit. That is some silver, huh? Pretty, though. And just let it go down into the corners. And that is it. Where's the... I'll try to dump that. I mean, this container is so big. Look at this. This will last me a lifetime. I'll never need to buy this color ever again. Alright, that looks good. I'm going to take a smaller little brush and blend that a little bit. How pretty that is. Alright, so I think on the I think I'm going to do a little bit of that purple the rest of the way over. Pretty. I think that's it for that. What did I do with it? I'm going to do rose gold in the waterline. Pretty. Yep, I can dig that. Alright, I'm going to do my lashes and do a lip, and I will be right back. And I am back. As you know, like I said, I used that rose gold eyeliner, and I used the Level Up mascara by ColourPop for my mascara. I used Don't Panic on my lips, and then I went and got the pricked palette, and I used Unblunted for the sparkle. I dabbed that on. So this is my full moon purple and silver and gold eyeliner look. I brought the orange in, got my little witch hat on with a little headband around the hat. And that's it. This is my full hunter's moon look. Alright, if you guys like that kind of content, and if you want to see more, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload. I hope you have a wonderful day and stay blessed for the week. And have a great Halloween if I don't post again before then. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.